हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जिप्सी शिवा। एंड आज हम थोड़ा सा आउटर पार्ट एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं, बट आउटर नहीं है। बिहाइंड मी यू कैन सी द चर्च, द बिग चर्च एंड ऑल्सो द रॉयल पैलेस। एंड बट वी आर गोइंग टू द रिवर, द Madrid, Rio de Madrid. So we are crossing this bridge. It's a beautiful park and we are going to explore first the kids section of the park because we are with the kids. तो हम पहले kids section जाएंगे and then we'll go somewhere else. Let me show you around a little bit. तो गाइस, यहाँ पर जो मैड्रिड की नदी है, रियो है, बोले तो रिवर, तो वो क्रॉस करती है। एंड देयर इज़ वन पार्क ऑन बोथ द साइड्स ऑफ द रिवर एंड देयर इज़ वन ब्रिज, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी नाइस आर्किटेक्चर. And there is the cathedral that I show you in the last video, and there is the royal palace, and this is the outer part of the city near the center only. So it's a very big park, as like Park del Retiro, but it's more near to the church and the palace, so I think there are more people here as compared to there. So guys, this is one park for kids. I thought it would be something different like yesterday, but this is what it is. Jenny Bridge. Egua. So guys, this is the river of Madrid, and here we are crossing one bridge. Mira Egua.
Pero como si lo fueran.
So guys, we are taking one bus ride right now, and you can use the same metro card for the bus also. So we are in the bus right now, and we are going to Playa Mer because we cannot go anywhere else. Only one option with this.
Mira, you can ask for stuff. No,
Is there Playa Mayor? So guys, we went on the bus and we reached Playa Mayor. And now we are going to Playa Mayor. We need to walk a little bit.
Tomamos el autobús y te puse.
And the case is clearly difficult. Jenny, say hola. More más. Más fuerte. Hola.
No al último.
Jenny, penguin walk. Show us your penguin walk. Penguin walk. Jenny, penguin walk. So guys, it's evening time right now, and after we go from that place, from that park, we go back to Playa Mayor, and now we are just going for dinner somewhere near our room. So I wanted to see how it looks in night. That's why we are going right now. And we didn't do so much today, so we have still energy left to do. So guys, there is one petrol pump or gas station, as you can see.
Oye, tú no quitas todo, ¿verdad? ¿Quieres comer, Jenny? No.
So guys, here in Spain, the life is all about eating, snacking and drinking cervezas or wine. And most of the people you will find here will be doing the same thing. And no matter the young or the old, they all are smoking. Smoking you can find very common here, and there is no smoking signboard here. Like, there is no signboard saying that you cannot smoke here. You can smoke anywhere that you want. And look, if you look, everyone is kind of drinking or eating, but the streets are beautiful, and this is what we like here about that. You can find a lot of things, a lot of cultural difference always, and you can see graffiti all over the city. You can see big cameras like this one You can see that the parking is on the side of the road, and I saw women taking photos. But I'm a little curious, what is this? Amar, what is this?
I don't know, is your parking?
So guys, this is for parking. If you want to park your car, you need to pay here, and if you are not paid, you can park your car. And the police comes just to check. Thing is very good that I like that they are using electric cycles and everything, and other than that they also use bicycles a lot, and they have dedicated paths somewhere to bicycle in the parks and everything that I just show you today. And we are just walking towards the main highway, but it's near our hotel, so we are not worried that much. That so you will find a lot of things for the handicaps also, and everywhere you will find this thing, the flooring for the blind people, and pretty much of it. People like football here, they watch a lot of football. Though India Pakistan is playing today, I cannot see. I tried to watch, but I cannot see anywhere. I cannot find anything where I can online stream my watch. These are like the stores here. If you want to see, like all the stores look like this. The stores are below and the apartments are up. Everywhere if you see is the same. The shops are below and the apartments are up. And most of this is the residence part of the city. So you will find a lot of apartments and not something else.
¿Qué está haciendo este hombre aquí? ¿Por qué está poniendo sus...
So guys, these are the trash thing. So you put all your trash here, and actually in night one truck comes to take all your trash. So the truck works in night, taking all the trash from the city. And we are at Alfonso 13. This is the path that says Alfonso 13. There if you can see the board. Kochiko. So guys, to cross the street you will find everywhere zebra crossing. Basically it's no zebra crossing, it looks like this, and you have one green light. So everyone stop there. If you want to cross the road, they don't cross till the time this light is green, and they have their own thing. So everywhere in Madrid you will find this green light and red light, and this is how it looks. Now the light has turned red and it turns green. Now only the people will start to move. So that's one thing. You can see a lot of cars here, different kind of car, all brands like Mercedes, or all Indian brands are also available here. I saw Suzuki, I saw Hyundai, I saw Audi, Mercedes, and almost all the brands. So we want to eat food here today, but I think right now it's full. So we'll have to wait, or let's see inside if it is open or not. So guys, we are in one place called Cerveta 101 Peditos. Okay, here you can find everything cheap, and it's like McDonald's of Madrid. And here you can find whatever you want for €1, 1.2 euros. Fresh beers, you can find hot dogs, you can find burgers, you can find nachos, papas, cervezas, and also food and everything. So this is one of the places, the best places to eat here, cheap and best. So you can have one meal, two people meal only for like I guess only for like 10 or 15 euros maybe. So guys, this is one of the places where you can find cheap food and good food, like tasty food. It's like the way I told you. So we are here drinking one beer. It's just cost €1 here, and and today I pay for one beer only for 6 euros. So it's a huge difference that you get here, and I don't know what it is, but it's kind of drink, wine drink, and this is how it looks from inside, if you can see. So guys, all of this costed like 9 euros, one tandoori pan, chicken pan, one this with bacon, and this is the french fries with salsa. All of this costed like 9 euros only. So it's pretty big, if you can see what all we buy for 9 euros. Otherwise it costs much more in other places in Madrid. So guys, this is one supermarket here in Madrid. It's below our hotel, so we are just walking in, and everything looks different.
Yeah, mira, there the people put their bags like this, and you can take a key from there. You were shooting.
This is how it looks. The supermarket here have all the vegetables, if you can see, and these are the prices per kg. Castana have different names, but it's the same thing, you know. Manzana. The banana is for 2 euros, guys. It means 200 rupees almost. The green ones are cheaper. It's for 1 euro. And have 2 floors. Looks quite normal. The Coca-Cola is a little more expensive. It's 2 and medio euro means 200 rupees almost. So guys, the bottle of wine is just for 1.6 euro, means almost like 150 rupees, which is very cheap. The cheapest wine in India is for 1000 rupees, so it's a fraction of that cost, like 15%. And there is one more. This is also wine, right?
Yeah.
Look, Vino Tinto is only for 1 euro.
And they have also this small one, sangria. They have alcohol, I think so. It might say here. Yeah, 7% for only this much.
And they were selling this
They have also
thing for 15 euro in the Mercado,
this
in
is
the
for
Centro.
40%, and it's the same thing.
So buy this.
Yeah, I'm going to. Let's go.
So guys, there is one beer here. It says only 22 euros, means 22 rupees for this one. This one Cerveza Suave. Only for 22 euros. Oh my god. Sorry, only for 22 rupees. I cannot believe. So guys, this is all the liquor section here that you can find, and you can buy liquor very cheap. Everything is very cheap here. I don't know why liquor is more cheap than water here in Madrid. So it's kind of confusing, you know.
Yes, you want
Yeah.
everything. You want to take everything. Let's go.
So guys, ये रखा पानी यहाँ पर. यहाँ पानी सस्ता है, but otherwise the water is very expensive. This is only for 40 cents. Looks good. So guys, this is the ready-made food. You can just warm it in your microwave and it will be ready. It has pizza, has pasta, has many things. ¿Cuánto dinero es?
€1.95.
So guys, this is pasta already made. Just you need to warm it. It's for 2 euros, means 200 rupees. But it's already made, so you don't have to do anything. And they have a lot of variety of ready-made food. Basically, everything is already ready-made. You just need to warm it up and it will be ready. So this is something new that you cannot find in India. So guys, my favorite thing is there. Paella mixta. I really like this, and I'm going to eat this today. And there is spaghetti for the kids. So there are 2 things. So guys, this is something new that you will not find in India, like to carry your trolley up on the first floor, you have this facility available here. This is not something that you will see in India, but here yes. So in India, it's everything is only on one floor, but they have different floors here because of the space. So this is how they are using. So guys, this is how it works. You go up and down with your trolley. Jenny, say hola.
Where is Haha?
So guys, you can warm up your food here. This is the place to warm your food. It's Mercadona. And you can take your socks and whatever you want, and you can just take it home with you, ready to eat.